What's up, party people? And today I have a case for the Google Pixel tablet. That's right. And it's from a company called Speck. Everybody knows who Speck is. They got great cases for all kinds of tablets, iPads, smartphones, you name it. Speck knows what they're doing when it comes to cases. Now, this one is called the StandyShell. And it's a pretty cool case because it has a kickstand on it. Looks like it's got some good protection, and it also works with the Pixel tablet dock. So that is really cool. And I thought it was very interesting that that works with the dock. And as you can see there, it has a kickstand, and then you're able to use it with the dock very easily. Now, I picked up the white one, and I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. You could either pick it up from Speck, you could pick it up from Best Buy. There's a variety of places that you could probably pick it up, even Amazon. But I'll leave some links down in the description. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys know when videos like this are coming. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Very easy to open up. Just pull on that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the tablet out. Oh yeah, Speck makes some good stuff, man. You really don't have to worry about it when it comes to Speck. And as you can see, it's got that soft lining inside, like a microfiber lining inside, and you see those pogo pins there so that your Google tablet will still connect to the dock for the Pixel tablet. And then you got this little thing here so that you can use your kickstand, and you're able to watch your tablet, which is great, because that's the one thing that that I was a little worried with this. I didn't have a case, and now I'm going to have a case. I'm going to be able to watch YouTube, watch ESPN, watch Netflix, do whatever I want to do, and then if I want to put it on the dock, I can. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. You can kind of just snap it in any old way. I don't think it matters. And I got the white because I have the white, but yeah, this is nice, and it's got a very soft back. Now this is probably going to get very dirty, but as you can see, the camera protection on there is bar none. Deep, very cool, raised bezels, and then you got raised bezels on the screen, so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged, man. You got some serious protection there. You got your volume up and down button there, and that's gonna work real good. Those work real nice. You got the power off button here. You're able to touch it. Fingerprint works, so you're good there. It's a little deep, but that's okay. I think it works. I think you're able to get to it there. And then on the back, so if you want to do your kickstand, you just hit this little switch here, and then you're good to go. You know, you can look at it like that. I don't think you could do it portrait, but you can definitely do it like this. And then if you want to put it on the dock at the end of the day, or you need to charge it, boom, you're good to go, man. Look at that. Dock sticks, everything's good to go. You have no worries or issues. That is a really cool case, man. I really do like this. So, and then if you want to take it off, you just pull it off, and then you can walk around with it, do what you got to do, throw it on the table. You know, you don't have to worry about it getting messed up. And I do like the kickstand. I like this little quick release deal. That's pretty cool, man. That is really, really cool. I guess you gotta let it get stuck. There you go. But yeah, man, this is really, I love the raised bezel. Now this comes in black also, and then you can get that pink or coral rose joint if you want to get it. But like I said, drop down in the comments. I love this case, man. Very strong, sturdy. 50 bucks. You got to pay to play. Yeah, I wish it was 25, but it's not. But maybe get on sale here and there. But that is a pretty cool case, and I do love this tablet. This tablet has been fierce. So that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go on the Twitter sphere, see what the boys and the girls are doing. Let's check it out what they doing out here. See what Jay Will said, the real Google Pixel Fold onlys. Oh, how do you like the hardware? 5-star. I don't know. Maybe I'll find out soon. Is that a tease? Stay tuned.